Hello friends, in today's video I will show you how you can use text boxes to take input from the user. For making this we require two things, one text box, a button, three things, one text box, second button and third a label to show what user entered there. So let's get started. Come to x.thunkable.com/projects, sign in yourself, click on create a new project. Enter your project name, text, input, test. Category to any category which you want to enter. Make sure that use the drag and drop builder is checked. Click on create. Here it is. Then here I will give it a background color to make it nice looking. I will give light one. Yeah. This. Then take text input from here and drop it here where you want it to. Then hint to enter your name. See, there is a hint to enter your name. Then a button of small size. Then set button text to next. And I will add a label to show what user entered there. Cut label. That's all. Now go to blocks and I just want to make that when user will click on this button, the text from this text box will be written here. So to make this, we have to go to button. When button 1 is clicked, then text. Oh, then I will go to label, set labels text to. I will take a. I will take a add join option. Then I will write welcome. Welcome. Your name is. Make a double space and then go to text input. Then text inputs text. This means that when button 1 is clicked, we have to set the label one's um, text to welcome your name as and the text which user entered here. Let's check it now. Yeah, enter your name. My name is Aman. Next, see, welcome. Your name is Aman. It is giving us properly, and you can store this text input in an uh, variable also. First of all, I will create a variable, blank variable to user underscore name. And then I will set variable username to this text input text. After that, after storing that in variable, we can, okay, I will create a new button also. Button here, click on show. Then I will go to blocks. When button 2 is that show button. Then put it here and go to variables, add variable username. Let's check it now. My name is Aman. Next, and I will click on show. See it showing us. This code basically means that first we created an variable name username. You can write any variable name. It doesn't matter. Then uh, when this when this button next button is clicked, then we have to store text inputs text the text in this to this variable. Then click on then when user will click on this show option, we have to set the labels text to this. Welcome, your name is and the name entered there in this. See if I will write here Aman next show it next show. See it's showing us. This is in today's video. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe.